Hey, I'm Rachel. I'm the owner, and I give ZenMaid a 5-star rating. Click below for reviews. I was using Markate, which is a scheduling platform, before I found ZenMaid. And what I did not like about Markate is that it was not industry specific, as ZenMaid is for my company. I love ZenMaid for a range of reasons. First, it is industry specific to the cleaning company, which the platform is in a scheduling form based in 15-minute increments for me to schedule my staff. Secondly, the integrations with Stripe and MailChimp are phenomenal. The greatest feature that I like is that my techs can download the app and have hands-on in time scheduling as it becomes available. I also like the fact that it sends out all my email templates for me. I don't have to do any type of typing or take the brain power to come up with those emails. Once I schedule the appointment, the automatic emails are sent out based on my timeliness that I request the platform to send out. It also sends out review notifications after each service, and that is just a big bonus for me and my company. It was fairly easy to get integrated with ZenMaid. I was able to download all my contacts and my clients in a CSV form, and they plugged all that information in for me. After that, they have great tutorials with short videos as well as excellent customer service that made onboarding very easy. I recommend that if you're a maid service, that you definitely need ZenMaid. It will make your your job of wearing many hats as a business owner, it will take so many off the table and you don't have to worry about it anymore. I highly, highly recommend ZenMaid.